Hello everyone, I am Shada Shaurao and welcome to Sada Learning Hub. Today's session we are going to learn anonymous inner classes. Anonymous inner classes is the one type of inner classes which is available in Java programming language. Anonymous inner classes, sometimes we can declare inner classes without name. Such type of inner classes are called anonymous inner classes. The main objective of anonymous inner classes is just for instance use. There is a three types of anonymous inner classes are available in Java. First one is anonymous inner class that extends a class. Second one is anonymous inner class that implements an interface. Third one is anonymous inner class that defined inside method arguments. Now I am going to discuss about anonymous inner class that extends a class. Now I am going to directly example on this anonymous inner class that extends a class. See this example. I am creating a one class that is called popcorn class. Inside the popcorn class, I'm creating a one method that is called taste method. I'm printing spicy. Next, I'm creating a one more class. This is the test class. Inside of the test class, I'm creating a main method. Inside of the main method, I'm creating a object of popcorn. This is an object of popcorn. In this popcorn object, I'm creating uh, test method. I'm overriding the test method. This is the test method. I'm overriding the test method. In this test method I'm creating a salty. Now I'm calling the object, I'm calling the method of taste method of popcorn popcorn class by using an object of popcorn object by p dot taste method. It gives salty. Why? Because here we are overriding the popcorn class. Popcorn class contains taste method. That's why it is displays the tasty. Now next I'm going to create one more object of popcorn class. Popcorn class p1 is equal to new popcorn. Here I'm calling the taste method p1 dot taste. It gives spicy. Why? Because here you are overriding the taste method of a popcorn class. That's why it gives here it displays the salty, but here we are not overriding anything. That's why it displays the spicy. Next, here creating an object of popcorn p is equal to new popcorn. We are just creating a popcorn object, and it gives the here we are creating a just popcorn object, but popcorn p is equal to new popcorn. Here we are opening and closing. This indicates we are creating a child class without name for the popcorn class, and for that child class we are creating an object with a parent popcorn reference. Now if you see this one, it indicates we are creating a child class of popcorn without name. We are overriding, sorry, if you see this one, if we are creating a child class of a popcorn without name. There is a no name. We are creating a object of child class. We are overriding the taste method. See here, overriding the taste method. We can create an object for the child class with a parent reference. With the parent, this is the parent, with the parent reference. Now inside anonymous inner class we can take or declare a new method, but outside of anonymous inner class we cannot call these methods directly, because we are depending on the parent reference. We are depending on the parent reference. Parent reference can be used to hold a child class object, but by using that reference we can't call child specific methods. These methods just for internal purpose only. These methods just for the internal purpose. Now I can show the one more example here. This is the one more example. In this example I'm creating a class called popcorn. I'm declaring a one instance method. After that, this is a class test. Inside the class test, I'm creating a main method. Inside the main method, I'm creating a anonymous inner class. This is a popcorn class, anonymous inner class. In this method, I'm creating a one test method. I'm overriding this test method of parent class. See here, I'm inside the test method. I'm creating a method one. You see here, this is the method one. Now I'm calling the method one method. Here we can't call the method one. Why? Because outside of the inner class. Here it's not possible to call the method one. Now I'm calling the p dot taste method. Here it prints the salty. After that, I'm calling the creating an object of popcorn class by using new keyword. After that, I'm calling the p1 dot taste. It gives the spicy. See here, this is a normal class. This is the anonymous class. In this anonymous class, there is no name of the class. In this class, we are overriding the test method. It's also possible to create our predefined methods also. Next, I can show one more example. See this example here. This is a test class. In this test class, I am creating a main method. In this main method, I am creating an object of thread class. In this thread class, this is the anonymous class. This is the anonymous class. We are not creating any class, but this is the class. This is the anonymous class. In this anonymous class, I'm overriding the run method. In this run method, I'm doing the some logic here. After that, I'm calling the t dot start method. Whenever we are calling the t dot start method, it go and search for the run method and execute that run method. After that, this is the one more for loop. It is available in outer class. This is the anonymous inner class. Next, I'm going to discuss about anonymous inner class that implements an interface. Now, if you see this, I'm going to directly on example. If you see this example, I'm creating a inner class demo. In this inner class demo, I'm creating a one main method. This is the main method. Now, I'm creating a runnable interface, runnable class object by using new keyword. This runnable class object here, we are not creating for the runnable interface. We are creating an implements class object. In this class object, see, I'm overriding here. If you see this example, this is the anonymous inner class. In this anonymous inner class, I'm overriding the run method. In this, I'm implementing the some logic here. This is called anonymous inner class. Now here I'm creating a thread class. This is the default parameterized constructor. It takes the runnable object. I'm creating an object of thread, and after that I'm calling the t dot start. Whenever we are calling the t dot start method, it checks run method is available or not. If it is available, run method will be executed. Otherwise, superclass run method will be executed. Means a runnable class run method will be executed. This is the for loop. It is available in outside of the class. Finally, this is the class. This is the outer class. This is the anonymous inner class. This is the implements. This is the interface we are creating overriding the class. Next, I'm going to discuss about anonymous inner class that defined inside the method argument. For this also, I'm discussing directly example. In this example, if you see this example, I'm creating a class called test. In this test, I'm creating a main method. Inside main method, I'm creating a I'm creating a runnable. I'm creating an object. See here, it is a new thread. Here I am creating an object of new thread from here to here. This is the anonymous inner class. In this new thread, I am creating a one more object of new runnable. In this runnable, I am creating a new runnable. I am creating an object of that. After that, I am starting here. I am overriding the run method which is available in the runnable interface. This is the anonymous inner class. This is an outer class. This for loop is regarding to, it is available in main method. This is for loop. This is the anonymous inner class. Next, I'm going to discuss about the differences between general classes and anonymous classes. There is a general class. A general class can extend only one class at a time. But anonymous class, of course, anonymous class, inner class also can extend only one class at a time. In inner classes and general classes and anonymous classes extends any other classes only one class at a time. A general class can implement any number of interfaces at a time, but anonymous inner classes can implement only one interface at a time. In the general class can extend a class and can implement an interface simultaneously, but anonymous class inner classes can extend a class or and can extend an interface but not both simultaneously. It's not possible to extend and implements at a time in the anonymous inner classes. These are the main differences in the general classes and the anonymous inner classes. Finally, this is regarding about anonymous inner classes. There is a three types of anonymous inner classes are there. Those are anonymous inner classes that extends a class and implements an interface and are defined inside the method arguments.
Thank you so much watching this video. Hope this lesson helpful to you. Keep watching our lessons. Keep writing to us. Do not forget subscribe our channel Learning Hub because we have many sessions that would help you to develop our skills, and I will be back soon. Till then you take care. Bye bye.